natural plant that's from the ground. Some smoke ganja by the pound. I'm gonna ask this question now. Who's gonna smoke some weed tonight? Who's gonna smoke some weed tonight? Who's gonna smoke weed tonight?
Some call it reefer, others call it blunt, which is actually a cigar. If you put crack to your head, you're a retard. Don't get it twisted, marijuana's not the real drug. Because it's so traditional, places is not exceptional. Except in Cali with doctors prescribe it. It's medicinal, the greatest of alarm. People use it for farming. All around the world, they call ganja Bob Marley. Early, buggers smoking weed on their Harley. It's a recession and I'm still gonna party. And after the club, I got the munchies, I'm starving. Where you have to settle them Marvin.
Put your lighters in the air. You smoke weed like you don't care. I'm addicted to the herb. It's a dangerous drug.